In this video, I am going to teach you how to remove CMS from Webflow. So in order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over to webflow.com on your computer or desktop browser. Now you should be able to see this. So what you can do is you can either click onto this get started for free or click onto this login if you already have an account. So by going to get started, you should be able to sign up and enter your credentials. I'll just head over to login since I already have an account, and I'll head over and input right here my details. Once I have logged in, I should be able to see in here my dashboard. So you can see in here if you already have any site created. If you do not have any site yet, you can click onto this new site. But since we're trying to remove CMS, you actually should already have an site. So head over and click onto the site that you want to open and click onto this open in Webflow. Now this is our actual site. So what we can do in order to remove the CMS is to click onto this CMS icon that we can see right here. Alternatively, you can also click onto the Alt and C on your keyboard in order to go over to this part. Doing that will prompt you to this. So in here, we have this CMS Collections. And I have in here this particular collection, which is called Item. Now let's head over and remove it. To remove it, click onto this gear icon that we can see right here. And then you can see in here this item settings, and you can see that we have in here this delete connection. So in here, you need to actually delete this collection items first before you can delete the collection itself. So what we can do is we need to head over and click on cancel and then delete the items that we can see right here. Click onto this one, click on this delete, and then delete. Then once it's empty, you can head over to this gear icon, scroll down and click on this delete collection. Doing that will actually remove the CMS from your workflow itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.